Lumen. Lumen is a device with a smartphone app that measures your metabolism through every single breath you take. The Lumen device determines the carbon dioxide concentration in our breath, which indicates the type of fuel your body is using to produce energy like fat or carb. With the app, you will receive daily personalized meal plan to help you to lose weight and optimize your workouts. Lumen will give you a Lumen Flex score by tracking your metabolism, sleep, nutrition and fitness data, which reflects your success and will help you to sustain results. The device works based on genetics, age, weight, gender, hormones, body composition, exercise, diet, eating habits. To use this device, just breathe into it. Monitor your metabolism rate in real time and view your daily meal plan according to your results. You can choose your goal by ensuring healthy weight loss, metabolic health and fitness performance. This device is perfect for people who want to know what to eat and when to reach the weight loss, get fit and improve performance. Lumen can be found online at around $250. Beast Weightlifting Tracker. As we know today, there are countless fitness trackers that are designed to track heart rate, steps and calorie burn, but it fails to count for more stationary activities such as weightlifting. That's why we found this device that calculates a number of features related to weightlifting. It includes average power, explosiveness, reps, weight volume, energy burn and tonnage. You can customize your exercise, plan your training schedule and check out how you perform with the live feedback. There is a list of workouts and special app to choose from. It's also possible to correlate the latest workout with the previous one and power, speed, strength and resistance and explosiveness. You can save the results to compare the data point later on. One charge lifetime is 8 hours. Being magnetic, this device is compatible with a variety of different weights, machine and supports body weight exercises too. If you love to free weights, the next gadget is definitely for you. Look at this smart versatile set of dumbbells. Bowflex Select Tech. No matter where you are or what you are doing, anytime, in any place is perfect for workout. The dumbbell's unique locking mechanism keeps the weight you select and leave behind the weight you don't. So you transform each dumbbell from 5 to 60 pounds with a simple turn of your wrist. The system is so versatile that it replaces an entire rack of 32 free weights and so compact that fits in corner of any room. The device comes with integrated Bluetooth technology that syncs with the free 3-dimensional training app. Using this app, you can choose from a full 6-week program, specialized workouts or create your own and go. Every workout is captured to track against your goals, measure your progress, celebrate success and share with your friends. No more gym memberships or expensive trainers. Argon Band. Is there any little thing that will make your sport more comfortable? I am sure that you won't even think about that. This is ergonomic watch band, Argon Band. Argon Band is a design based on hand ergonomy and holds the watch in a perfect viewing angle to boost the full functionality of modern watches. You could look at the watch and read the stats without moving your hand. It is very important for your safety during the sports activity. Argon Band fits almost all types of gloves, can be worn on many running, cycling and other sport or winter gloves. Argon Band is handmade with the best quality leather, different colors and compatible with almost all watches. Whether it is cycling, running, parachuting, the Argon Band will help you to stay focused on what you are doing by keeping your data at your side. Are you looking to gain better understanding of your body composition? Most smart gym gadgets that monitor activity will only track basic stats like total calories burned or the number of steps you walked or ran. These stats don't give you any true indication of your progress. It doesn't take a genius to know that more steps taken and more calories burned means less fat. But how much less? Sculpt is a remarkable tracker that lets you see a ton of detailed stats regarding your activity and fitness. Before using, you need to install the Sculpt app and select the muscle you want to measure from the home screen. Then you place the device against the appropriate muscle and your results will show up on the app. The scanner measures your muscle quality and fat percentage and up to 12 muscle groups on each side of your body. Left, right, biceps, triceps, shoulders, forearms, chest, abs, upper back, lower back, quads, hamstring, calves and glutes. It can ever deliver some workout tips and guidance to help you build more muscles, boost your strength or just sculpt nutrition. Sculpt Scanner helps you to train smarter and give you individual fitness advice. Skinner. Socks are not enough and shoes are too much. Skinner's lightweight, ultra-portable footwear, combining freedom and portability of socks with the basic protection of shoes. Finest Swedish Patholic free polymer guarantee that even 0.4-inch thin double layer on the underside lasts to hundreds of miles. Skinners adapt to your body, activate each muscle in tendon and let your feet to do their thing. The compact size and unique second skin feeling makes Skinners perfect footwear for sports, short runs, workout, yoga, water sports, and they work equally well as backup shoes, traveling, camping, hiking. You can enrich your training on natural or soft surfaces and activate all your foot muscles and tendons. Skinners simulate the barefoot experience and forces your feet to adapt to the terrain. Lack of adhesives and seams makes Skinner not just eco-friendly but also machine washable. One footwear but all possibility. Isn't it great? Polar Seal. The feeling of cold is the past. Now you can feel warm in winter and all year round using Polar Seal at the touch of button. You can select from 3 different warming levels and activate 2 separate or combined heating zones. You can start feeling the warmth of your Polar Seal within a few seconds after turning it on. Polar Seal fabrics are composed of 92% polyester and 8% elastic. Polar Seal tops are breathable and water resistant, which makes them ideal for sports such as cycling, skiing and hiking. Its fabric will keep you warm for up to 8 hours on a single charge, and it is available for man and woman in the range of colors and sizes. Polar Seal is compatible with standard USB power banks. It can also be hand washed and detergent washed. Foam roller. And now let's have a look at this foam roller. The foam roller can help relieve shoulder and lower back pain. It is great for those who weightlift or use their shoulders for any rotating movement, throwing, swimming, etc. Rolling your upper back or postural muscles can help elevate neck or upper back pain. It's durable, versatile and highly effective health and fitness product. Due to structural design and unique outer surface patterns, it's possible to use the roller regardless of sports level or type of activity. You can pack it easily, effortlessly into kit bag, backpack or carry-on. Weighing less than 2.5 pounds is comparable to 34 fluid ounces of water, a gym log or a hardcover book. This thing is a great way to release tension and improve posture. Sports hack 124. If you don't want no longer to go out with the several bags from the house and believe that works and sports fit into a one backpack, this sports bag is for you. With the Sport X 124, you have your everyday life under control. The 124 is marginally expandable inside and out from 8 to 11 gallons. You can have quick access compartments for your valuable things. It has 15-inch laptop compartment and includes insulated thermal compartment for water bottle or lunchbox. Additionally, the 124 has waterproof and odor-resistant dirt wash compartment. For your convenience, the bag has padded straps at the back. We also need to say that it can be used as a hand luggage on your trips. Are there many exciting moments in your life that are hard to catch in camera lenses? We found an excellent action camera for the purpose. StackCam, intelligently stable action camera. The StackCam is built with a tiny triaxial servo stabilization platform that can record videos and photos with higher stability, definition and fluency. Weighing only 4.2 ounces, the StackCam lets you record 4K FPS panoramic videos. Moreover, the device supports a SD card up to 128 gigs and it is waterproof up to 3.3 feet deep. It also supports Wi-Fi function. When the camera is connected to smartphone via app, the images and the videos will be synchronized to smartphone and they can be downloaded or shared on social media. This camera is irreplaceable when you are skating, parkouring, biking, skiing, surfing or kayaking. Sports travel is no longer boring. Pay attention to this insta-cooling, lightweight and ultra-compact sports towel. Arctic Towel possesses new technology that embeds fibers with various compounds which allow to lock up moisture while keeping the temperature low. After absorbing water, Arctic towel can cool down surface body temperature up to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. The towel is strong enough and at the same time flexible. It is created to prevent bacteria and odor. The Arctic towel is quick dry and just 1 minute can be used in all kinds of sports activities. Arctic towel can be folded and squeezed with a radius up to 2 inch and a height of up to 3 inch. Unbelievable. You will find the links of all these products in the description below in the video. Well, go in for sports and fitness and always be in a good mood.